Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the High Commission of India, Kuala Lumpur, I'd like to thank you all for joining us today online on the occasion of India's 74th Independence Day celebrations. It's my privilege to welcome His Excellency Shri Mridul Kumar, High Commissioner of India to Malaysia, officers and colleagues from High Commission of India, and everyone who has joined us today. This year, owing to the COVID-19 pandemic-related norms and also the physical distancing protocol, High Commission of India is celebrating this day through online platform, though we would have been more pleased to have you all join us in person. We'll start today's proceedings, ladies and gentlemen, with the unfurling of our national flag, which will be followed by our national anthem. May I now kindly request His Excellency Shri Mridul Kumar to unfurl the national flag. I would now kindly request His Excellency Shri Mridul Kumar to read out the President of India's address to the nation on the occasion of the 74th Independence Day.
My dear Indian sisters and brothers in Malaysia, a very good morning. Warm greetings from the Indian High Commission in Malaysia on the occasion of the 74th Indian Independence Day. Due to unforeseen and unprecedented circumstances and COVID-19 situation, this year we are constrained to celebrate in virtual manner through online platforms. However, our spirits and our enthusiasm remain as high as ever. I would now read out some excerpts from the address to the nation by our Honorable President Shri Ram Nath Kovind on the eve of India's 74th Independence Day. My dear fellow citizens, Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure to greet all the people of India living in the country and abroad on the eve of the 74th Independence Day. August 15 fills us with the excitement of unfurling the tricolor, taking part in celebrations and listening to patriotic songs. On this day, the youth of India should feel the special pride of being citizens of a free nation. We gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. The celebrations of Independence Day this year will be rather restrained. The reason is obvious. The whole world confronts a deadly virus which has disrupted all activities and taken a huge toll. It has altered the way and the world we lived in before the pandemic. It is very reassuring to note that the central government, while anticipating the tremendous challenge, responded effectively and well in time. For a country so vast and diverse, with huge population density, meeting this challenge requires superhuman efforts. All state governments took measures in accordance with local circumstances. People also supported wholeheartedly. With our committed efforts, we have succeeded in containing the magnitude of the pandemic and saving a large number of human lives. It's worth emulating by the wider world. My dear fellow citizens, Committed to taking care of our people stranded anywhere in the world, the government has brought back more than 1 million Indians under the Vande Bharat mission. Indian Railways has been operating train services in these challenging circumstances to facilitate travel and transportation of people and goods. The patience and wisdom being demonstrated by all of you in coping with the pandemic has been appreciated all over the world. I am confident that you will continue to maintain caution and act responsibly. I once again congratulate you on the eve of the 74th Independence Day. I wish you good health and bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind. Please repeat after me. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Now I'd like to invite Mrs. Visalakshi Nityanand, the Carnatic vocal teacher from Indian Cultural Center, for her rendition of Parukulle Nalla Nadu, a famous poem of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, followed by Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Parukulle Nalla Nadu, Parukulle Nalla Nadu, Engal Bharata Nadu. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaja Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Subrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Subrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Dhrumadala Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Visalakshi, for that soulful rendition. Though not present with us physically today, our NRI community associations have virtually joined us through their cultural performances. We will now have a short video presentation of patriotic songs by the Ladies Wing of Bharat Club Kuala Lumpur and Maharashtra Mandal, Malaysia. Bharat Club Ladies Wing will present a Tamil patriotic song, Annai Bharadam Azhaikkindraal, and Maharashtra Mandal's performance will feature Sare Jahan Se Acha.
அன்னை பாரதம் அழைக்கின்றாள், அன்னை பாரதம் அழைக்கின்றாள், அன்பை நெஞ்சில் குழைக்கின்றாள், அவளின் அருளால் தழைக்கின்றோம். அன்னை பாரதம் அழைக்கின்றாள். பசியும் பிணியும் பகைமையும் போக்கிட திட்டம் வகுக்கின்றார். பசியும் பிணியும் பகைமையும் போக்கிட திட்டம் வகுக்கின்றார். அழைக்கின்றார். அன்னை பாரதம் அழைக்கின்றார். அன்பை நெஞ்சில் குழைக்கின்றாய். அவளின் அருளால் தழைக்கின்றோம். அன்னை பாரதம் அழைக்கின்றார். அவள்
से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा साया आसमां का. पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा साया आसमां का. वो संतरी हमारा वो पासवा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ. गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ. गुलशन है जिसके दम से रस के जिला हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा
Our sincere appreciation and thanks to the members of the Bharat Club Ladies Wing and Maharashtra Mandal Malaysia for their mesmerizing performance and their contribution towards today's celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have come to the conclusion of today's celebrations. Once again, on behalf of High Commission of India, I would like to thank you all for joining us. Till we meet again, stay safe and have a pleasant day.